matter, Pixie? Look at your tail, Jack. You scared of the bear that much? Look at her tail. It's so funny. You scared of the teddy bear, Pixie? She cannot figure this thing out. Is it driving you crazy? Pixie, is it driving you crazy? What are you doing? You can't get the bear through there. Pixie. Meow. You're scared of the bear. Look at your tail, you fluffy wuffy. Pixie.
How long did it take last time when she swung through to do that shit?
I don't remember. You happy, kitty? You a happy kitty, huh? You a happy girl. Yes, you are. You're so silly. You should have seen her the first time I turned it on. She freaked. She doesn't like Christmas music. Say bye. Pixie. Say bye. Bye.